I was born in 1909 in Ada, Ohio. My childhood was challenging. My parents divorced. My older sister suffered from schizophrenia. And as the second child and first son, I carried many responsibilities. While my mother was often absent, life taught me responsibility, and solitude became my companion. My early struggles shaped my fascination with human nature. I studied English at Michigan State, but was expelled for writing for a radical magazine. I graduated from Oberlin College, taught in Greece, and studied psychology. Even illness, tuberculosis, did not stop me. I taught practice, wrote books, and co-founded the Sabro Graduate School. My life prepared me to understand the human condition deeply.
Anxiety is a part of being human. Normal anxiety motivates growth, while erratic anxiety paralyzes us when we avoid life's challenges.
I'm nervous. Woman, you can do it. Just take it step by step. But I can do this. Okay. Here goes nothing. I can't do this. What if I fail? You can try, but don't let fear stop. No, I can't.
Guilt reminds us when we act wrongly, but it can be also opportunity for growth.
Oh no, I should have been more careless.
It's okay. Let's pick this up together.
You can still make it right. Learn from this and do better next time. Let's go.
Human acts with intentionality. Care binds life and will is the power to act meaningfully.
Which project will I choose?
Don't worry. I'll help you with whichever you choose.
I think I'm gonna choose this.
Good. Let's start working on it because action matters more than hesitation.
Yes, I will give my best.
Yes.
Love flourishes when guided by will. Eros is passionate love. Pila is friendship and Agape is selfless love.
Samantha, I've admired you for a long time. May I sit with you?
Okay, sure. You know what? I felt the same way. Thank you for being honest.
See, honesty and courage bring you closer. And that's the heart of love.
Freedom is the ability to make choices, but with freedom comes responsibility.
Should I pursue my dream career or should I follow what my family expects?
You can choose what feels right for you. Take responsibility for your choice.
Remember, freedom is not just about choosing,
It's about owning the consequences.
I choose to follow my passion, and I will take responsibility for it.
I will stand by you.
Destiny is shaped by the choices we make and life we create from them.
I neglected my responsibilities. Now, I must deal with the outcome.
You know, mistakes happen. But you can still take action to redirect your path.
Here, every step you take builds your destiny, and what you choose today really matters tomorrow.
I see now. My actions today shape my future.
Yes, definitely.
Stories and myths shape our understanding of life. They offer lessons we can also apply it in reality.
I face a similar challenge. What should I do?
In my story, honesty and courage help me to move forward. Perhaps you can do the same.
Let's act together. Stories guide us, but action matters.
Oh, I understand. The story shows the way. I must live it myself.
Yes.
Psychopathology arises when we avoid facing life. Existential psychotherapy helps confront dilemmas and grow.
Tell me what's wrong. Together we can face this.
But I don't know where to start.
Start with one step. You can grow. You can act authentically.
You know what? Yes, I can face this.
Yes.
I go.
My life and work are testament to courage. The courage to face anxiety, to love intentionally, to act with freedom